Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. On this channel, I like to showcase the automotive culture and the positive impact it has on its community. And if you're a car enthusiast or you like anything about cars, please be sure to hit subscribe for future videos. On today's video, comes out a request from somebody asking me how I'm able to mount my action camera to my tow hook mount. With the amount of people using action cameras, whether it's a GoPro, Insta360, whatever the case may be, I found that making this video would probably be beneficial to a lot of different people. And the worst thing about using the action cameras is one, not using it at all, and then two, having footage and not being able to use that footage. In a later video, I'll show you guys the best, very easy ways of how to take that footage from your action camera and to make the best out of it. But today, let's hop into the parts list, if you will, of how I'm able to mount the action camera into my tow hook. All right guys, let's hop into the components. First thing is first, you're gonna need your action camera. I have my GoPro, my Insta360 1R. Next, what you're gonna need is to buy is this Tasioner Super Jaw Clamp. And what this does is that this is the jaw right here that will clamp down to your tow hook. And then this knob right here adjusts both levels, so your camera mount itself, and then also there are two ball joints. So this one ball joint will help level out the x-axis, and then this will adjust, well, they're both X, Y, and Z axis actually. So it's completely fluid ball heads, and you can adjust it so it's completely level. The other component for this, which is super important, is this right here. So it comes with a 1/4-20 thread onto here. So what you want to do is get one of these mounts that you usually have laying around for your GoPro or anything like that. It's just the action camera mount, and it has a 1/4-20 on there. So I've put this on there, and the reason why I'm showing this one separately is because I've JB welded this on. I got trust issues, so I'm not trying to let the camera fly off, especially if I'm at a track day. We're getting up to speeds at 120, 140 miles an hour. I do not want anything moving. So I JB welded this on there. That's not going anywhere. And then I tightened down the crap out of this on the vice grip. So it's not moving. I've completely leveled it out. And the only thing that I need to really tighten down is the jaw clamp onto the tow hook. So your tow hook is going to depend on your car. But usually most cars today have a front tow hook. A lot of sportier cars will have a mount for it in the front bumper. So I will show you guys that next on the GTR, but again, you'll need your tow hook. And that's really it, guys. That's all the main components that you're gonna need. So the main component is gonna be your jaw clamp, and then the other one is gonna be your tow hook, and then your action camera. Let's install this, and then let me show you how it looks. All right, so for my application, I'm actually going to be removing this hook. And the reason being is that it won't fit unless I take this hook off. So I'm just going to remove that quick, and then we should be good to go. So I did actually put this on the OEM tow hook as well, and I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like on that as well. I know the way that I'm about to install it seems a little sketchy on the aftermarket tow hook, so I did clamp it to my OEM tow hook as well, just so you guys can see how that looks. And that way this leaves this inlet right here extremely functional. So all right, let's make sure it's leveled up. Okay, gotta loosen that a little bit. Adjust it. All right, we are sitting good, so we're nice and level. All right, let's get some footage and let me show you guys how it looks. guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. If you found value, please be sure to like and hit subscribe. It does help out the channel. Again, all the items that I use in this video will be linked down in the description. If you guys have any questions or anything, leave it down in the comment section below, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.